Welcome to this video on the invisible engine of the grid, where we explore the principles and mechanics of electrical transformers. A transformer is a static electrical device that transfers energy between two or more circuits. It uses electromagnetic induction to increase or decrease voltage while maintaining a constant frequency. The basic anatomy includes a primary winding for input, a secondary winding for output, and an iron core. Crucially, there is no direct electrical connection between the primary and secondary windings. Alternating current, or AC, flows through the primary winding. This fluctuation creates a constantly changing magnetic field within the adjacent core, which is the primary pulse. The varying magnetic flux travels through the core, acting as an invisible link between the input and the output circuits. Faraday's law dictates that this changing magnetic field induces a voltage in the secondary winding. Voltage is born purely through interaction with the shifting magnetic flux in the core. The voltage change is governed by the turns ratio, which compares the number of loops in the primary winding, NP, to the number in the secondary winding, NS. The transformer adheres to the conservation of power. Power is constant. If voltage increases, current must proportionally decrease, and vice versa. In a step-up configuration, the secondary turns, Ns, are greater than the primary turns, NP. This increases voltage and decreases current, ideal for boosting voltage for long-distance travel. In a step-down configuration, NS is less than NP. This decreases voltage and increases current, used for lowering voltage to safe levels for homes and appliances. Step-up transformers are used at power plants to boost voltage to extreme levels for efficient long-distance transmission across the grid. Step-down transformers are then used at substations and on utility poles to lower the voltage to safe levels, typically 120 or 240 volts for the end user. To summarize, a step-up transformer has a higher turns ratio in the secondary, resulting in a higher output voltage and lower output current. The opposite is true for a step-down transformer. By elegantly manipulating the relationship between magnetism and electricity, the transformer enables the safe and efficient movement of power across the world. It is truly the silent backbone of the modern grid.